Good morning, everyone. Everyone wear your school uniform. Those who have school uniform, wear your school uniform. Everyone. Yes. Okay. Swell. Okay, everyone, open your English literature book, English literature, chapter number 10, Paplu the Giant. Chapter 10, Paplu the Giant. Yes, Sifa.
Ma'am, today I am wearing school uniform.
Ah, very good. Very good.
Yesterday was my school uniform wet, so I don't wear.
Okay, okay. Very nice. Okay, so Paplu the Giant. This story is a little boy who they are usually shown as being as huge in size. Okay, giant is very huge in size. The Paplu the Giant written by Ramendra Kumar. Ramendra Kumar. This is a graphic story. Everyone listen to me carefully. This is a graphic story. Graphic story. Everyone, this look at the story. This is a graphic. দেখো এখানে যে দেখতে পাচ্ছ যে গ্রাফিক কে দেওয়া রয়েছে, so this is a graphic story. It is very important. Okay, this is a graphic story. Paplu the Giant is written by Ramendra Kumar. Giants are imaginary creatures who roam the earth a long time ago. Okay, giant is an imaginary creature who roamed the earth a long time ago. They were usually shown as being huge in size, অনেক বড়, সাইজে প্রচুর বড়, angry and cruel in nature. Read this story about a 9-year-old giant called Paplu. Paplu is a boy. His age is 9 years. Okay, but he become a giant. That is the main theme of this story. How he become a giant. Paplu. A young boy called Paplu lived in a village with his mother. Paplu was a giant, but he was not like other giants at all. Paplu হচ্ছে দৈত্য, giant means দৈত্য, কিন্তু অন্য দৈত্যদের মতো দেখতে নয় ওকে। Giants love to fight, but Paplu hated fighting. Giants love to fight, but Paplu hated fighting. His nature is different from the giant. Okay, Paplu's nature. But Paplu hated fighting. Stop, please. Don't hurt it. Paplu was very angry because his friends were irritating the animal. Okay, that Paplu said that stop, please don't hurt it. Paplu's mother was worried about her son. One night, she took him to a village where human beings lived before entering the village. She shrunk herself, Paplu, to 1/10 their size. Shrunk means become smaller. Okay, become smaller. To 1/10, son, you will never be happy in our tribe. Stay here with the headman. He will take care of you. Headman's name is Raghav. Headman's name is Raghav. Stay here with the headman, Raghav. He knows about us. He will take care of you. Paplu liked living with Raghav. He made friends with the children in the village. One day, Raghav came home very worried. The bandit and Angar, the bandits, the main chief of the bandits' name is Angar. Angar has blocked the only way out of the village. He will kill anyone who tries to pass. We cannot go to our farms to work. We will starve. বলছে এমন ভাবে আঙ্গার কি করেছে, ওইখানটা ব্লক করে দিয়েছে রাস্তাটা, আমরা আমাদের ফার্মেই যেতে পারবো না, চাষ করতে যেতেই পারবো না, আমরা না খেতে পেয়ে মরে যাবে, starving. Paplu's mother had taught him, I wish I could help in some way. Paplu said that I wish I could help in some way. Paplu's mother had taught him the magic words. Paplu's mother had taught him the magic words for becoming a giant again. Paplu's mother taught him the magic words to becoming a giant again. পাপলুকে তো ছোট করে দিয়েছিল, ওর মা তো সাইজে ছোট করে দিয়েছিল, এবার ওকে আবার ম্যাজিক ওয়ার্ডটা শিখিয়ে দিল যাতে পাপলু আবার জায়ান্ট হয়ে যায়, এগেইন জায়ান্ট। ওকে, he tried everything he could to remember them, like standing on his head and pulling his own ears. If only I could remember for the magic words, I could easily defeat Angar. বলছে আমি যদি ওই ম্যাজিক ওয়ার্ডসটা মনে করতে পারি তাহলে আমি অবশ্যই আঙ্গারকে, মানে যে ডাকাতদের যে চিফ, যে ডাকাতদের প্রধান চিফ, তাকে আমি ডিফিট করতে পারবো, তাকে আমি পরাজিত করতে পারবো। Then Paplu heard a soft voice by his side. It was his 2-year-old neighbor, Soni. He picked her up and threw her high in the air. Paplu Paiya, throw me up, catch me quick. Paplu Paiya, please show me your magic thing. ওকে বলছে, মানে পাপলুকে বলছে যে পাপলু পাইয়া ওকে ডাকছে। the Soni, the 2 years girl, পাপলু পাইয়া, please show me your magic thing. তোমার ওই ম্যাজিক তোমার যে ম্যাজিক ওয়ার্ড যেটা তোমার মা শিখিয়েছে ওটা শো মি, আমাকে দেখাও। I have heard these words before. Paplu froze means হচ্ছে suddenly stopped and became still. ওই যে বলি ফ্রিজিং মানে জমে গেছে, ফ্রিজ এর পাস্ট টেন্স ফ্রোজ, ও জমে গেছে এবং এক জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে পড়েছে। He rushed inside and came out with a blue stone in his hand. Son, throw the stone in the air and say these words. I will throw you up, I will catch you quick. Don't forget the magic trick. ওর মা বলে দিয়েছিল একটা স্টোন নিয়ে এসছে, ব্লু স্টোন, ওপর দিকে ছুঁড়েছে, হ্যাঁ, throw high in the sky and then catch it Don't forget the magic tricks. As Pablo threw the stone up in the air, he started swelling up. Swelling up means become bigger. যেমনি স্টোনটা অপর দিকে ছুঁড়েছে অমনি পাপলুর বডিটা ধীরে 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 বড় হয়ে গেছে। ওকে, big size. Stone up in the air, he started swelling up like a balloon. But something was not quite right. He had missed a word or two in the magic chant. His clothes had not grown along with his body. Or পুরো ইয়েটা বলতে পারেনি, ওর কি হয়েছে, বডি থেকে বডি অনুযায়ী ক্লোথসটা ছোট হয়ে গেছে। বডিতে যে ক্লোথসটা তো ছোট ক্লোথস পরেছিল, জামা পরেছিল, জামাটা বডি অনুযায়ী ছোট হয়ে গেছে। ঠিক আছে, his clothes had not grown along with his body. বডিটা বড় হয়ে গেছে, ক্লোথসটা ছোট হয়ে গেছে। Paplu rushed into the woods before the last scrap of clothing flew away. I must look for cover. I will soon be standing in the middle of the village in my birthday suit. To not wear any clothes. Birthday suit means হচ্ছে to wear not any. Birthday means হচ্ছে তুমি যখন জন্মাবে তখন তো তোমার গায়ে কিছু থাকবে না, সে বলছে ওই জন্য বলছে birthday suit, মানে ওর গায়ে কিছু নেই, ওর গায়ে কোনো clothes নেই। ওকে, so Paplu rushed into the woods before the last scrap of clothing flew away. ছিঁড়ে যাচ্ছে তো ছোট বডিটা বড় হয়ে গেছে আর ক্লোথসটা ছোট হয়ে গেছে, ছিঁড়ে বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে। I must look for cover or I will soon be standing in the middle of the village in my birthday suit. Paplu got down on his knees among some trees. What will I do now? I can't go out like this. I need clothes. বলছে আমি তো বেরোতেই পারবো না, আমার তো জামা কাপড়ের দরকার, আমি কি করব? What will I do now? আমি কি করব? Why did Paplu look for cover? Sony told me you grew big and ran away. Came out to see if this strange story is true. I became a giant again using a magic trick. My mother taught me now I can take care of Angar and his gang, but I don't have any clothes. বলছে আমি মায়ের ম্যাজিক ট্রিকটা, I remember my mother's magic trick and I told that and I will very bigger. I became bigger and I become a giant. But my clothes is too short and I will not fit with these clothes. So I needed clothes. আমার জামা কাপড় চাই, নাহলে আমি বেরোবো কি করে যুদ্ধ? How we will fight with Angar? I need my clothes. Then give him time until nightfall. I will have your clothes ready. বলছে আমাকে একটু সময় দাও, আমি তোমার ক্লোথসটা রেডি করে দেবো। ঠিক আছে, give him, এখন তো রাত্রির হয়ে গেছে, আমাকে টাইম দাও। I need time to ready to Paplu's clothes. Raghav went home and summoned all the 21 tailors in the village. জড়ো করেছে এক জায়গায় সবাইকে, 21 জন টেলার, 21 tailors. রাঘব কি করেছে, বাড়ি গেছে, বাড়ি গিয়ে রাঘব went home and summoned 21 tailors in the village. Stitch a pair of pajamas and a kurta for our Paplu as fast as you can. বলছে make a pajama and kurta for our Paplu and as soon as possible to make it. Okay, what did the tailors stitch for Paplu? বলছে পাপলুর জন্য, সরি এটা একটা কোয়েশ্চেন দিয়েছে, the stitch a pair of pajamas and kurta for our Paplu as fast as you can. বলছে সেজন্য পাপলুর জন্য জামা তৈরি করো। ঠিক আছে, স্টিচ করে জামা তৈরি করো। Here we will stop. Okay, we'll stop here. Tomorrow page number 72 and 73. Okay, just I will complete the page number 72 and 73, and if you have any doubts about the language and literature, any type of doubt, you will ask me, tell me tomorrow. Okay, and just read the story, Paplu the Giant, the 3 pages very carefully. And if you have any doubts, tell me. Shabnur.
Ma'am, can I read the word meaning?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sifa. Esha,
Ma'am,
Esha. Sit properly, Esha.
ma'am, page 70 and 71. We have to read and tell you tomorrow.
Yes, yes. Have you any doubt? Okay. Have you
Yes.
any doubt? So tell me tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have small doubt. Can I
Yes,
say you?
yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
71. The story is Paplu. Paplu. This page, I don't listen. Can you say me again? This I can't listen properly.
Yes, yes. Just wait. Page.
Yes, 70. Paplu Paya, Paplu Paya.
Oh, yes, 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 yeah. Yes. Then Paplu heard a soft voice by his side. It was his 2-year-old neighbor. Okay, Sony. He picked her up and threw her high in the air. ওর মা, পাপলুর মা ওকে ট্রিকটা শিখিয়েছিল যে যখন ওই যে ওপর দিকে এরকম করে ছুঁড়ে দেবে, ও যদি কিছু ওপর দিকে ছুঁড়ে ওই যে যখন ব্লু স্টোনটা নিয়ে এলো, ওই স্টোনটা যখন ওপর দিকে ছুড়লো তখনই ওর সাইজটা বিগ হতে শুরু হলো। হি বিকাম আ বিগ। ওকে, সব সেই জন্য ওই সোনি ওর যে ওই যে 2 years old গার্ল বলছে পাপলু পাইয়া থ্রো মি আপ, ক্যাচ মি কুইক কুইক, পাপলু পাইয়া প্লিজ শো মি ইওর ম্যাজিক থিং। মানে ও বলছে যে ওকে ছুড়ে দিলে আর যদি ওকে ওপর দিকে ছুড়ে দেয় আর ওকে ক্যাচ করে তো বড় হয়ে যাবে, তো বলছে তুই শো মি ইওর ম্যাজিক ট্রিক। ওকে শিফা?
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, আন্ডারস্টুড?
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, সামন্ড মিন্স হচ্ছে ইনভাইটেড। লিখে নাও, এভরিওয়ান রাইট সামন্ড। সামন্ড, সামন্ড মিন্স ইনভাইটেড, নিমন্ত্রিত, ইনভাইটেড। সামন্ড দেখো, Raghav went home and summoned all the 21 tailors in the village. Summoned. Page number 71, last. SUMMONED. Summoned. Yes, Nadim Rahman.
Drinking water.
Yes, yes. Swell.
Ma'am, I read it. Ma'am, I drinking water.
Yes, yes. Sheikh Mahedin.
Ma'am, my read finished. Am I go to toilet?
Yes, yes. You may go. Yes, Esha Dash.
Ma'am, I did also complete and then I go to toilet.
Yes, yes. Yes. Shabnur.
Ma'am, what is meaning of trap?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is meaning of? Can I tell you the spelling?
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Tribe.
Huh?
Tribe.
TRIB. Tribe. Tribe means হচ্ছে ওইখানকার প্রজাতি, inhabitants, যারা ওখানে বাস করে। A group of people, usually of the same community, who live and work together. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Abdul Ramiz. Abdul Ramiz. Just read the chapter. Have you any doubts? Then tell me. Okay. Read the chapter carefully. Yes, Abdul Ramiz. Rohin Roy.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of birthday suti?
Huh?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of birthday suti?
হ্যাঁ, বার্থডে শুট। বার্থডে শুট মিন্স হচ্ছে কোনো জামা কাপড় নেই, এমটি বডি। ওকে, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য বার্থডে শুট।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so bye bye. Bye bye everyone. If you have any doubts, then tell me tomorrow.